In this video, I'm going to give you the perfect plan, the ultimate guide to start e-commerce in the summer of 2026 in the UAE and in Saudi Arabia. I know you are probably watching this in April, which means that you still have some few months left. But during this month, if you follow exactly what I'm going to teach you, you can guarantee at least your first sale. Now, I know I've got your attention. Before we start, let me briefly explain what e-commerce is. For those who doesn't know, e-commerce simply means selling online. E for online and commerce for business. For me, selling online in 2026 is the most profitable and most accessible business model. No matter your level, no matter your budget, it's open to everyone. I mean, how do I know? Simple. I've been living off this business for already more than 3 years and created several success stores like this one already at 45,000 dirhams. And I also personally help beginners, probably like you, achieve real results. The first question I want to answer before giving you the plan is, does e-commerce actually work in the UAE and Saudi Arabia? Latest market data shows that e-commerce in the UAE is projected to reach at least 12 to 17 billion dollars by 2026, while the Saudi Arabia e-commerce market alone is expected to be worth over 30 billion by the end of the year, and both markets continues growing rapidly thanks to strong digital adaptation and high online shopping demand. I'm sure that you often hear people saying e-commerce was working before, too much competition. All of that is false. You just need the right information at the right moment. Alright, enough talking. Ready? Let's go. The first step to start e-commerce is going to be finding your niche. Most people will tell you, find the right product, but to me, that advice is outdated. You need to find your niche first. Why? Because inside one niche, you can sell many products. A niche is simply a group or a category of products. For example, we have fitness, sport, beauty, makeup, kids product, fashion, and even more. And once you find a niche that you actually like, selling becomes easier. And I insist on choosing something that you enjoy, because one secret of business is doing what you love. When you enjoy what you do, it doesn't feel like work, and you are going to work twice as hard as everyone else. Most beginners make the mistake of launching random products just out of opportunism. Personally, I made 50,000 dirhams in sales just by selling shoes, a product I was passionate about. Inside your niche, the next step is going to find your product. And today, the fastest way to find a product is by using TikTok. Every single day, thousands of people post products on TikTok. They do unboxing, they do presentation, they showcase how the product works, everything that you are going to use. And here's a crazy part. Most of these videos are from small sellers, from the United States, from Europe, not even big brand. And it means that TikTok is actually showing you what is trending in real time. And we are going to get these viral products that are already selling in the Western market and bring them here in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. So instead of guessing, just open your TikTok and search for TikTok made me by UAE trend, Saudi trends, Amazon finds, problem solver products, before and after products. And when you're going to scroll on these videos, you can instantly see what is going viral today, which product people are buying, which item gets millions of views, how many people are posting the same product daily. If 20, 30 or even 50 creators are posting the same product daily, that means that demand is already proven. And by doing that, you're not guessing, you're not hoping, you know exactly which product works, because the market is showing you in real time. And that is the method I've been using for more than 3 years already. Once you find a product that is getting consistent posts plus high views, that is your green light to start testing it. Step 3. Now you have your niche and your product. What is next? You need to start creating your first online store. To me personally, the website is extremely important. You can have the best product at the best price, but if your website looks bad or doesn't inspire trust, you won't make any money. Creating a website is like surgical work, putting the right information in the right place. Back in 2023, when I started, I spent at least 2 weeks building my first store because I had no tutorial. And if you want me to make a full A to Z tutorial on how you can build a website, let me know in the comment section. We are going to build our online store in Shopify, the #1 tool to create online shop with templates, tutorial, and even AI assistance. Now in 2026, even beginners can make a store in less than 30 minutes. When you reach at step 4, we have our niche, we have our product, we have created our website. What do we do now? We are going to create video for our ads. Earlier I said the website was important, but the creative, which are the videos, are even more important. Why? Because creatives are the first interaction that your customer has with you. Your customer is just scrolling peacefully. Scroll, 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 then boom, your video pop-ups. That video is your first impression, and you got only one chance to make a good one. A strong creative is going to bring the customer to your website already prepared to buy, because you spark his curiosity and you spark his envy. And if you want a free training on how to make strong creative, let me know in the comment section. And you can also like the video and subscribe if you find this content helpful. This last step is actually the simplest. If you have selected the right niche, the right product, you have created a good website, and you made interesting creative. And remember, creative is another name for the videos you are going to make for the ads. This last step is not going to disturb you. And I even made a video on how to launch ads on TikTok. You can check it out. Ads are going to bring traffic to your store, but you can also use influencers, which is completely free. That is one of the methods I use to reach 10k a day on a store. Or you can use paid ads, which are also very effective, which is how I was able to do consistent 6 figures months for already more than 3 years. Ads can be Snapchat, Facebook, Google, Pinterest ads, Telegram, TikTok. Every social network has its own ads platform, but for beginners I recommend using TikTok. It's simple, it is young, requires very low budget compared to other platforms like Instagram and Facebook, and in less than 5 minutes you can target your ideal customer. TikTok already know what people like without you telling them, and we use that to our advantage. That is why you are searching for product there on TikTok. As a bonus tip, if you still want to target the Western market, which is Europe and the United States, I will tell you honestly from experience, choose UAE and Saudi Arabia. This makes a massive difference. 99% of beginners launch their store in Europe and the US. So as a beginner, you are going to say, if most people are launching there, let me go and launch there, which is one of the errors I personally made, because everyone does that. If you want to be part of the 1%, you need to go where 99% don't go, and that is why compared to many people, I was able to find success. In 2023, when everyone was trying to sell in Europe and US, I choose what I call a hidden market, because most people do not know the notion of cash on delivery. That's why they fail in this market, and it means that for you, if you start now, you are going to find success. And if this video motivates you to learn more, you have 3 options. Option 1, subscribe to my channel and wait for the upcoming videos. I'm going to share a lot of value. Option 2, do nothing, lose motivation, and go watch another video. Or as a last option, for you to be able to succeed in this market, you can check the Telegram in the description and get into contact with me so that I can help you also be a success story in your personal book. If you understand that e-commerce in the UAE and Saudi Arabia is the best opportunity that you will ever find out.